A computer without a driver is like a healthy person who is ready to die anytime. A driver is a software component that allows communication between operating systems and devices in a computer. All computers have drivers because the user cannot interfere with any of the computer applications without them. However, device drivers vary from each other in the means of technological performance. Fastest and updates driver always work efficiently in a personal computer. Here is the savior DriverTuner which everyone wants to use for better working of a computer. The DriverTuner is amazing because using it is very easy and one can interfere with hardware and application in a computer. Additionally, it is a comprehensive database where the DriverTuner is ready to serve its service to the user. Besides that, it has wide system compatibility, where the user will never experience the state of conflict in using two different systems or applications when they are running at once. DriverTuner is the special device that many were waiting for the efficient use of the computers. Try this chance and forget driver problems. Key features of DriverTuner. Fix driver issues. It is a common problem for everyone who uses a personal computer to face driver failures. This tuner is the solution to the challenges of the computer towards driver's device where it fixes missing, outdated, and corrupt driver in the computer within some minutes. Additionally, it helps to fix system sort with new drivers to make a computer running properly. Download up-to-date drivers and maximize personal computer performance. The outdated drivers may slow down the personal computer and be the source of compatibility difficulties. DriverTuner is making wonders, where is used to update old drivers with the latest driver for the computer to be reliable and perform well. Not only that, but the DriverTuner also solves all the shortcomings of software and hardware, then boasts the PC in performance. Easy-to-use tuner is the driver that is easy to use, where many issues are fixed by only clicking on the mouse. It gives the user easy work by downloading the desired drivers because the device drivers are organized in good order. Comprehensive drivers database. According to the huge and comprehensive database that are more than 200,000 driver entries, DriverTuner can support drivers for all major computer hardware and device manufacturers including Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, Toshiba, and others. It can fix driver issues for the motherboard, card, chipset, printer, and so on, then keeps the driver updated. Wide system compatibility. DriverTuner is compatible with all versions of Windows operating systems such as Windows 7, XP, Vista, 2000, 2003. Key features. Excellent ability to fix driver issues. Are you annoyed with missing, outdated, or corrupted drivers? DriverTuner can help you fix driver issues to keep your PC in a healthy state in just a few minutes. The quicker you get DriverTuner, the sooner your driver troubles will be gone. Powerful ability to download up-to-date drivers and maximize PC performance. Can't play the latest games? DriverTuner can help you update the old drivers with the latest drivers for your computer and increase the ease at which you can run the latest CPU-intensive software such as games. It will boost your PC and maximize your PC performance. Easy to use. DriverTuner excels in its easy-to-use interface. Any driver issues can be fixed with a few clicks of your mouse. It is easy enough for computer novices to figure out in a flash.Comprehensive driver database. Based on a huge and comprehensive database of more than 5,000,000 driver entries, DriverTuner supports drivers for almost all major computer hardware and device manufacturers such as Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, Toshiba, ASUS, Nvidia, Intel, Realtek, Brother, EPSON, Compaq, Gateway, and so on.